Hello everybody, welcome to Step Up Lives. This video is a comparison between the BookMyForex foreign currency card versus the Neo Global card. There was a lot of comments on our previous video that can you make a comparison between the two so that we can get a clearer picture. So definitely I will take you one by one on what is the card type individually and what are the advantages, pros and cons of each individual card. If you like such videos, then definitely comment as well as like this video and share it with your friends. Do check out the links in the description for both BookMyForex and Neo Global to understand for yourself as well. Let's quickly get into the details of what is the card type, what is the information. Let's quickly try to understand that what is a Neo Global card. It is a rupee based card linked to the savings account and accepted in more than 150 countries. This is nothing but simply similar to an international debit and credit card provided by the banks. However, Neo is claiming a 0 rupees forex markup charge, but actually this information is a little bit misleading as Neo exchange foreign currency is underlying at Visa rates, which is actually marked up a little above the rates that you see on Google. So most importantly, what you should understand is that with Neo Global card, what happens is that the currency rates are not fixed because the live Visa rates are applied at the time of transaction at the merchant. If you try to compare that, Neo Global allows you to load Indian currency into your card and then that will be spent as foreign currency. So that live rate will be applicable. Most importantly, you should understand that this would available be on both physical as well as virtual form so that you can use it in both the sense. Let's quickly try to understand the working methodology. The INR that will be loaded to you will be automatically converted into the local currency of the country when you're spending in. Hence, the card does not require any particular foreign currency to be loaded. It's very clear. It's like any other savings or debit card. Opening a savings account with the SBM Bank is a prerequisite for using this card. SBM account has to be opened. Another important thing is that Neo Globals are accepted at all Visa accepting machines. However, certain transaction limits are associated, which we'll also discuss. So most important to understand is that INR will be loaded. The variation of fluctuation of currencies over the period of time during a stay is not guaranteed. Let's quickly try to understand. It has good amount of features, zero forex, global presence, as well as some saving interest and other facilities. Let's try to compare what different is there in the BookMyForex forex card. Please try to understand this is a prepaid foreign currency dominated card which can actually load foreign currency at a locked in rate. The main benefit here is that unlike INR denominated cards like Neo Global, they allow you to lock a forex exchange at the time of loading. However, really BookMyForex, if you try to compare, is making the loading on the exact interbank rates. Interbank rates that you can see, you can research on Google, will be very close to what BookMyForex will be trying to include. Most importantly is to understand that with BookMyForex, travelers can convert INR into foreign currency without losing any money at all during the conversion at zero markup charges. So most importantly, difference is that this is a forex card completely, and actually when you will load the money at the conversion form from INR, it will be fixed. For example, you convert into euros, this will completely get into euros and into your card and available with you. Let's try to see ahead what happens, what are the advantages, what are the other points to be taken up. True zero markup card as indicated in BookMyForex, as they are not charging any markup fees. Same day doorstep delivery facilities are also available for BookMyForex, so it has been a good thing. What is the advantage if you compare when you are traveling with global INR cards? Firstly, it is cheaper compared to the global INR cards, more convenient, and you get free insurances as well. Let's try to make a further comparison about the points and overall things that are available. Let's quickly scroll down to other processes as summary of tables, right? Issuance fees are the same, annual fees are similar, reload fees aren't much. Reissuance of the card is indicated to you. Neo Global has a better opportunity here. Initial funding requirement of the card issuance is not there in terms of BookMyForex compared to Neo card. Balance inquiry, if you see $1 compared to 100 rupees here and $2 for the ATM free cash withdrawal. This you have to keep in mind that wherever you are trying to withdraw cash internationally, whether that ATM is charging you money or not, this is something you should definitely check. If you talk about the withdrawal limits for ATM, it is around $1,000 and POS for 7,500 and online transactions are 7,500 for Book My Forex versus Neo Global. Card closure is actually similar. Volatility of rate is the most important factor that will decide whether you should pick Neo Global or you pick Book My Forex. Here if you see, once you load your money into the Forex card, the rate is locked. The Book My Forex card, what it does, it eliminates the risk of the conversion or the variation of charges, right? It eliminates the lack of transparency associated with foreign exchange related charges on credit card and debit card, because you realize after coming from abroad you have a lot of other charges also on your card. So it's very important that you take a transparent as well as already loaded foreign exchange card with you, which is like a Book My Forex card. A lot of times these transactions of the fees always happen later. So at that time when you have swiped, or at that time when you have borrowed or taken the money from ATM, it does not show. But later on these charges, real settlement charges happen and new exchange rates and new charges are applied. So better to take a Forex card which is like a Book My Forex card. Here you will have also the management of your transactions and fees very easily, which is clearly visible to you. Security and other features are also very similar to Book My Forex if you see compared to Neo Global. This summary you can see on the screen, which is there for card issuance, pretty similar. Using a card abroad, smoother reload process, reasonable fees, better withdrawal limit, as well as efficient management of card security and complementary features, right? So if you're someone who's going to stay actually longer, right, and you are want to have the ease and comfort of your home to load your foreign currency, Book My Forex card will be definitely a priority. Amount loaded in the Forex card is based on exact interbank rate. That is literally your exchange currency is loaded without any charges. You get a solid chip, pin protected, robust, solid mechanism for security, and foreign currency is loaded at a fixed rate that your volatility of change of dollar or euro wherever you're traveling is eliminated. The card also allows you to load multiple currencies at the same time. For example, if you're traveling to US as well as Europe, you can load dollar as well as euro, and real-time expenses could be tracked. And this is something, one of the key important advantages that you will find for Book My Forex card. So if you like this comparison, my suggestion would be that definitely do your due diligence, check out from your side as well. But I believe Book My Forex compared to a Neo Global card is definitely better. The link for it is there in the description box. Definitely check it out and share your thoughts and comments and experiences. Which of them you felt is better if you have used any of them. If you like this video, then share it with your friend who maybe is traveling abroad and is planning to maybe take a Forex card or a global card, and definitely comment your thoughts. Thank you so much and bye bye.